4. Do not just post things as a business. Include a persona in your posting. This means that your post should not only be marketing, you should also be posting slightly more casually to build a connection with your audience. People want to interact with people, not accounts, so make sure that your marketing strategy allows you to be a person too. 5. Interact with your audience. In order to be successful, your audience will need to feel like they can trust you. The best way to do this is by interacting with them. Reply to comments, answer questions, and try to build a community that your audience can feel like they are a part of. 6. Make sure that you have a good quality content. Your content needs to be of good quality and enticing to your audience. Having decent quality content is the best way to grow an audience and encourage them to purchase your product.